Hello, and welcome to a sample walkthrough of what Sonoma State University calls create a meta course in Canvas. Just want to make sure I outline the language here before we get started. So Canvas uses the language, uses the word cross-listing, but Sonoma State in general, so coming out of the Faculty Center, is using the word meta. So creating a meta course, which means pulling multiple courses into one, multiple sections into one meta course. So let's get started. So for today's test and example, I have created two dummy classes called Test Deletes. What you would be seeing or what requests you would be getting would be something like biology or math, something like that. But for this example, we are using Test Delete for keywords in the course name. All right, so let's begin our mock meta course request in Canvas. Ready? Here we go. What we'll do first is we will go to the admin side of things, click Sonoma State University. What our objective here now is to make sure that the courses that are being requested to be merged are actually courses with users. I really want to make sure that this is called out because if the course is there but it doesn't have any users, you cannot merge them into a meta course. Again, if the course is there and does not have any users, a teacher, students, TA, any users, you may not merge into a meta course. So heads up on that. All right, so what I'm going to do, let's say, if I was looking for a biology course, 101, I would be looking for those keywords. But what I'm looking for this time is it's my fake Test Delete course. All right, so what you find here are my two Test Delete courses that I created, a 101 for 2018 summer and a 201 for 18 summer, just for testing purposes again. So what I do first, I have confirmed that the courses are there that I want to merge. So now I'm going to hit create course by hitting plus course up in the top right. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back here and copy so that we keep the same naming convention. So the course name will be Test Delete. We're going to name it. So we're keeping this naming convention, the 101 18 SU. And what we're going to do is parentheses meta. What we're doing next, the reference code is the short name. So we'll copy paste that again. And what we're going to do is the sub account. We're going to just, pick a, testing one of lost courses. The School of Education, Arts, Humanities, whatever the course that you are selecting in reality. But this one, we're going to just use a sample. Default term, I'm selecting, or enrollment term, I'm selecting summer just because of the test. But you would likely just leave it on default term so it goes to the current term. Summer 18, add course. So now you'll see when I'm still filtering for that keyword, which is, again, yours would be math 305, 360, whatever. So now the meta course is here. And see, make note of the naming convention. It's just like the course name, except that has meta on the. Now we go into each course that you want to merge. So, and a tip here is to create a new tab for each course. So we'll start with the 101 just for organizational sake. So we go up here to the tab. We'll go into settings. And in order to merge this, we will select here. And see this button over here? It's like cross list. So let me walk you through that again. So I'm going back, I'm backing out, just kind of way back to find the course. And I'm going to do delete here, the keyword that you'll know at that time. Go into 101, the earliest class that you have, the lowest level one there. The course, not the meta course. And then you're going to go to, do you remember? Settings. Then we're going to click into this hyperlink. It's important that you do this, otherwise you don't get the right options on the right-hand side. So once you're in here, you hit cross-list this section, and it should pop up. So see, I had that kind of in my copy-paste repertoire there. So now I pasted it into search for course, and I found the meta, hit that, and cross-list this section. And now that one is underneath the right meta course. So now I'm done with that. I'm Xing out. Remember how we tabbed those two courses? Now I am going to X out of the one that's already meta coursed. I think I just made up that verb. And now I am going down to settings. Remember, where do we go next? Sections. Hit the hyperlink of the second section that you're meta coursing and hit cross-link this section. So now we're going to search for the meta course again. There she is. Cross-list section. Boom, that's it. Cross-listed 2 courses. Congratulations. So if we really want to make sure that we're going back, let's go back to good old admin, Sonoma State University, delete. We'll click into the meta course, go down to settings, sections, and there they are. You have successfully cross-listed 2 courses. Congratulations, and thank you for watching.